10 amazing health benefits of cardamom. Hello there, viewers. Cardamom is a spice with a unique sweet taste. This spice has been used in both culinary and medicinal ways for centuries. Cardamom seeds, oil, and extracts are native to India and have been used in traditional remedies for centuries, providing several health advantages. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 health benefits of cardamom. Can it improve your breathing? How about treating anxiety? Can cardamom be used as a mouth freshener? We'll be talking about all of these and more. Number 1. Improves breathing. I have excellent news for you if you suffer from respiratory issues such as bronchitis, asthma, or wheezing. Cardamom may improve your breathing. It includes chemicals that enhance the amount of air that enters the lungs. Cardamom helps in nasal passageway cleaning, making breathing easier and smoother. The essential oils of cardamom have a highly stimulating odor. When you inhale, your body's capacity to utilize oxygen during exercise improves. In one research, participants were instructed to inhale cardamom essential oil for 1 minute before jogging on a treadmill. This resulted in significantly increased oxygen consumption. Number 2. Lowers blood pressure. Cardamom has been shown to help lower blood pressure. This is due to its antioxidants. A research was carried out on people who had excessive blood pressure. Every day, they were given 3 grams of cardamom powder. After 12 weeks, blood pressure readings had dropped to a normal range. There was also a 90% rise in the antioxidant content of the participants. Cardamom is thought to have a diuretic impact, according to experts. This implies that it aids in the removal of extra water from your body by assisting you to urinate. This procedure lowers blood pressure. Number 3. Helps fight cancer. Cardamom contains anti-cancer qualities and may aid in the battle against cancer cells. According to research, cardamom powder can increase the activity of certain enzymes that help fight cancer. It can also improve your cell's capacity to eliminate malignancies. In one study, cardamom supplements were administered to rats with skin cancers for 15 days. The tumor's total size shrank as a result of the treatment. Number 4. Treats digestive problems. Cardamom, like its relative ginger, may aid in the treatment of digestive problems. To alleviate nausea and vomiting, this spice is frequently used with other therapeutic spices. Cardamom may be the answer if you suffer from ulcers, but have found that many of your treatments aren't working. Rats were fed a mixture of hot water, cardamom, turmeric, and samum leaf in one research. After being subjected to large dosages of aspirin, the rats developed stomach ulcers. The rats given a mixture of extracts developed fewer ulcers than those given just aspirin. Number 5. Fights inflammation. Cardamom has chemicals that can help combat inflammation. Chronic inflammation, including cancer, can result from long-term inflammation. Cardamom is high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation and protect cells from harm. According to one study, consuming cardamom powder decreased liver inflammation in rats. Cardamom extracts were shown to be extremely effective in suppressing 4 distinct inflammatory chemicals in other rat research. Number 6. Treat bad breath. Do you find yourself reaching for breath mints on a frequent basis? Mints are acceptable to use on occasion, but too much can be detrimental to your dental health. This is due to the abundance of sugar. Bacteria proliferate as a result of sugar buildup, which leads to dental problems such as bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Try cardamom instead. Since ancient times, it has been used to heal oral problems and combat foul breath. This spice has the ability to combat the type of oral bacteria that causes dental cavities. Cardamom extract has also been shown to destroy more than half of the dangerous germs in your saliva. Number 7. Lowers blood sugar. Cardamom can also help decrease blood sugar levels. In one study, rats were fed a high-fat, high-carb diet that raised their blood sugar levels. Their blood sugar levels dropped when they were fed cardamom powder. Cardamom can also help to raise insulin levels. In research, green cardamom was given to patients with type 2 diabetes. Participants' hemoglobin and insulin levels have improved after 10 weeks. Number 8. Treat infections. Cardamom has antibacterial properties. Certain components in cardamom extracts and essential oils have antimicrobial effects. Cardamom extracts have been proven in studies to inhibit fungus development, therefore preventing fungal infection later on. But wait, there's more. Cardamom may also be used to prevent food poisoning by killing salmonella. Furthermore, it fights the bacteria that causes stomach irritation. Number 9. Protect liver. Cardamom is also utilized in several forms of medicine for its detoxifying qualities. It can assist in the removal of toxins from your body while also strengthening your liver. If this has been a source of concern for you, you'll be relieved to learn that cardamom extract can lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and high levels of liver enzymes. It also lowers the chance of developing fatty liver disease. This is due to cardamom's ability to inhibit liver enlargement and weight gain. A research was carried out on obese persons who had non-alcoholic fatty liver. Green cardamom was distributed to participants. It was discovered towards the end that they may boost your liver's health. Number 10. Treat anxiety. Anxiety can be reduced by using cardamom extracts. Anxiety is associated with decreased antioxidant levels in the blood. Because cardamom is high in antioxidants, it can be quite useful in this situation. Cardamom may also aid in weight loss. Cardamom has been linked to a lower waist circumference in women, according to research. Consume whole cardamom or use powder in cooking to enjoy the health benefits. Did you know about the benefits of cardamom before watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Healthdome for more videos like this. I can't grow this channel without your support. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Bye for now.